Is your school preparing students for in-demand careers in advanced manufacturing and robotics? Would you like to offer more career-related opportunities to your students? With support from BotsIQ's Close the Loop program, high schools in Fayette and Westmoreland counties can prepare students for a successful career. Close the Loop provides real-world learning experiences for qualified students interested in manufacturing careers through a variety of training and workplace activities. BotsIQ will coordinate activities for your students including facility tours in which students learn about products and services local companies provide and what it is like to work in a specific field or industry, job shadow days where students gain an in-depth look into a particular career and speak with professionals, and paid and non-paid internships, in which students gain experience and exposure to hands-on skills. BotsIQ can arrange additional manufacturing career experiences such as work release, cooperative education, and professional career interviews for your students. Students can also qualify for BotsIQ scholarships and more. Through career-related activities that expand and enrich the learning experience, BotsIQ closes the loop and helps students align their interests and skills to in-demand careers in the manufacturing industry. To partner with BotsIQ's Close the Loop program, complete and submit the school enrollment form today. For more information, contact Maria Campiri with BotsIQ.